Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student of third secondary, we are going to solve questions of chapter 1, lesson 2 of transition elements. Let's begin by choose questions. Which of the following choices represent a transition metal? We want to know what is the main property that we discuss about the transition metal. We have here all metals are good conductor of electricity. So the first one, number A, will not be of our choices. So we have here B, C, and D. Okay, most of them are have high density. So we will go to one of them that greater in density but not very high. Okay, and its melting point very high also. So we will compare between what? Between C and D. So here we have high density and high melting point, greatest one, not very high, but much high, and color is gray, and the main property of them is conducting electricity. Another question we have here, which of the following choices represent the properties of transition element? Okay, we have here first property and second property. We have the first one, form uncolored compounds and used as a catalyst. Form uncolored compound, bad electric conductors. So the second one will not our importance as not with us. Third one, with high density, used as catalyst with high density and bad electric conductor. So B and D are wrong. We are discussing about what? We are discussing what? We are discussing A and C. The main property of them, what? High density. They have high density or heavy metals, so they have high density and use as a catalyst in any reaction as they are very active element. Okay. Question number 3. Sodium is similar to scandium in all of the following except that. What is the property that are or that is one not the property of sodium? We have they are react with water vigorously. They form oxidation state plus 2. They react with halogens. They form uncolored compound. Okay, what is the importance or what is the difference for this one? They form oxidation state plus 2. Scandium is different from this. Sodium is similar to scandium in all of the following except this. So sodium lose only one electron from its outermost energy level, so it make oxidation state plus 1, not oxidation state plus 2. So they are different in this point only. Another question here we have question number 4. By increasing the atomic number of the transition element in the same period. Okay, what is the most important our transition element that taken for it? Its ionization energy increase. Do you think that? Its atomic radius increase? Okay. Its density decrease? No. I think it's wrong. It becomes more difficult to be oxidized. What is the main property of this? It becomes more difficult to be oxidized as they are heavy metals. Okay, they are not able to be oxidized or make not greater oxidation state. Okay, question number 5 here. Which of the following ions is diamagnetic and uncolored? What is the meaning of diamagnetic? It means that it its electrons are have filled or completely filled. Okay, uncolored means they don't take any colors if they are completely filled or have completely filled. So here we have property of what? Diamagnetic means uncolored. So titanium plus 4 as it has only, or its electrons in the orbitals are pairing. Okay, half filled or completely filled. Okay, the following compounds are paramagnetic and colored, except all of these compounds are paramagnetic and colored. Paramagnetic means the orbital contain number of electrons are unpaired. Okay, so the electrons unpaired and giving colors means paramagnetic. If the electrons paired, all the electrons in the orbitals of D are paired, so the element will be uncolored. What of which of them will be here paramagnetic and colored? I think, do you think what? Scandium chloride. Scandium chloride. SaCCl3. Okay. Another question. Which of the following ions has highest magnetic moment? Means that it make attraction to any magnetic material. Okay. We have here iron Fe plus 2. Okay. It has highest magnetic moment as it gains or get attracted to magnet. Values of magnetic moments are equal in which of pairs of ions? We have here magnetic property that characterized for transition metals, but here we have some of them have the same magnetic moment, means that they have the same number of unpaired electrons. We have here iron when losing 2 electrons and manganese when lose 3 electrons, and or its oxidation state plus 3 and iron its oxidation state plus 2. Another question here, question number 9. All the following compounds are attracted to external magnetic field except. Okay, it means that they are attracted as they have high magnetic moment. Okay, which of them will have low magnetic moment? Here we have zinc chloride. So zinc not have great magnetic moment or not gain external energy or give high magnetic attraction. Another question here, question number 10. The compounds FeCl2 or iron 2 chloride and iron 3 chloride and iron 2 sulfate, okay, are, what do you think about iron here? Iron have different oxidation states according to the substance that, or according to the non-metal or group or atomic group that combine with. So here we have different forms of iron, sometimes iron 2 or iron 3 here. Which of them compounds are here what? Paramagnetic and colored. All of them have color. It means that they have unpaired electrons in the d orbitals. Okay. Question number 11. Scandium chloride or scandium 3 chloride is what? Do you think about scandium? We have different oxidation state for it. So in this case, it is containing a number of electrons unpaired and what, also colored. So here we have diamagnetic, not colored, or colorless.